Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we got something different going on. We're actually going up to look at Diamond's father's 335xi that is currently making a little funky noise. So
a little metal on metal sound, about 30 miles an hour. Cut the bullshit, he fucked it up. At like 100 something miles an hour, shifted into 6.
So now he's hearing a clicking noise, anything over like 30 miles per hour.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go figure it out. Hopefully it's like an axle or something.
Doubt it.
Hopefully it's not something in the motor.
Most important part of this, what exactly happened an hour before breaking this axle? What happened?
Oh, well.
Yeah, so this is gonna be interesting. We'll kind of keep you guys updated, and we got Dave, the master mechanic here.
I'm not looking forward to this.
We're actually driving in his freshly built S3.
She's got about 600 miles on it right now.
Yeah.
It's running really good. Knock on wood, cross your fingers. We got no codes. Watch the light pop on in 5 minutes.
Bam, that's what happened with me.
Yeah.
Watch the other video of that, by the way.
Oh my god.
We're topping this bitch out.
No, this is Mass New Hampshire line. This is like fucking Statey Central. I mean, Mexico, US line.
This is easy past La Mexico.
we're in the
This is not New Hampshire. I know it looks like it. That is actually Mexican for Cragway.
That's a 335i on that side. Oh no, so that's drive. That's weird. Yes, all the time.
Shut it off and start it again. It won't do it. Or it'll do it exactly the same. One or the other. Yeah. Let's put the windows up. I already felt like a boom boom.
There it is.
Put
But
your
it was
seatbelt
way
on.
worse before. It was nothing like that. It was like a loud, like.
When the car was stopped, you revved it, it was fine.
Yeah.
You can slap it.
What, like
Nothing.
whack
Okay,
it?
no, go to second. Doesn't sound that bad, man.
Dude, I don't know what.
I thought about a clipping, didn't you?
Alright, well, let's put the JB4 in stage 1 then, alright?
You want to tell the camera what you did, Diamond?
Nothing. Nothing happened. I don't do shit.
You fucking didn't put a screw back in. That's 7mm missing.
I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
Try to make the noise so the camera hears it.
There it is.
It's knocking, bro!
Oh my god, I hate myself.
Alright, don't go fast because I feel it touching my foot. And underneath this hood is very stout.
I think we found the issue.
Another zip tie?
Zip tie did the trick. She ain't going anywhere.
Tell that to a 32-degree day.
Double up on the zip tie, maybe.
Like, really know it's a built motor. Like, I mean, it's pretty quiet.
It's nobody's business.
Yeah, it's a pretty quiet little car. Like, you know, you're gonna feel that it remains pretty much stock.
Jesus.
And that's with 4 people in the car. I mean,
Yeah, it's a lot slower with people.
Jesus.
Maybe do one more launch too for the boys.
That's 90. I mean, that's fucking
That's
fast.
ridiculous.
Isn't it?
Yeah. But it's not crazy.
It's so quiet that you'd be like, that's not 90. Nope, it's 90. It rips.
up, buddy? What's up, bud? Neighborhood dog.
Back on the bear smell.
Yeah, bear smells bear.
Bear smells real bear.
You did it with the bum shoulder?
Yeah.
Nice.
You cook it and eat it, Tom?
Yeah, we'll make steak tips out of it one day.
Oh, I definitely want to
yeah.
try some.
Maybe one more. Holy smokes, these are gonna be mint. Oh man. You even took the plastic dip off? Andrew
You
said they were
did,
green.
man. Yep.
Holy
Yep.
shit.
Check out
This
the
is what you
turbo.
really want, bud. That's STI. Oh my god, it's like Christmas in November. It's only October though.
This thing's got what, like 60, 70K?
Yeah, like 70K on her.
No shaft play.
Why was that?
It's already ready for external wastegate, so might as well.
Might
do
as well
it,
just
bro.
put one in,
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Be careful, man.
Yeah, don't drop it.
You give me anxiety.
That seems pretty sturdy.
All right, bud. Don't molest the thing.
Looks pretty good, man. I'm excited.
It's a gift that keeps on giving, Clark.
Bud, here you go.
Is this actually like the Subaru brand too?
Yeah, it's Subie. Yeah, it's
Stock
out of
STI
Bob's
one?
car.
No shit.
Yeah, that was Bob's turbo.
Yeah. You guys turbo now? I got his motor. Thing was an organ donor.
And then what's this? A little bypass valve?
Stock bypass valve. But look over here.
Shorty, the road
This shit
shifter.
is the
With the knob, he hooked you up.
Uh,
Bang, bang. But you should buy new shifter bushings. We'll make that thing mint. But this needs a lot of work, dude.
Damn. Why? How long does this thing take to put in? I want to put this in right now.
Probably like an hour, dude. Do you have to go underneath for 5-speed? I feel like you still do.
Nah, you push it in. It just pops.
Pops
into
right
the
in.
plastic.
Up front.
It's
Done.
kind of annoying.
Oh, bro, you don't have to give me the knob too, bro.
He doesn't
I've
even need
never
it,
had
man.
one before.
He's always had AutoZone ones that light up.
They're always broken
So
in
you
half.
can adjust the full road.
Can you really?
Yeah, so like
First official shift knob.
Oh, no shit. You
Yeah,
can make
and
it
this
taller.
this goes up too.
Huh?
Yeah.
Now we just gotta learn how to put all these parts on.
Mm-hmm.
Good luck. You gotta do a lot of maintenance on this thing though before you put these parts in,
I
man.
don't know, but I'm kind of thinking the opposite. Run
No.
the parts, and then do the
Oh my god, dude! I almost just let this hood
how
like
it
wide open.
Yeah. So yeah, plan is timing kit, cam seals. You need injectors, boost control solenoid. Should get V3 axis port. Get rid of the fucking
Oil
fossil.
pump leak.
Something with your power steering too.
Yeah, it's probably still
You
leaking.
got an exhaust leak that needs to be fixed. This all little stuff, and then you need a fuel pump too.
What is?
That little like I think it's like a coolant return. Come here, buddy. See it down in there?
What is it?
Oh, is that the PCB
It's like a
plate?
something
Yeah,
return.
yeah, the PCB
Oh
plate.
yeah, those caps. Yeah, those
Mine
things
leaked.
suck. They get all brittle.
Is that
and
oil?
Yeah,
in
the
this thing?
Yeah, it's just a
plastic.
plastic thing with a rubber O-ring. It just gets all brittle over time. The O-ring dry because the oil just destroys the rubber O-ring and it just makes it this super hard substance. It's like the same thing as like the BMW oil.
You
filter
also
has
gotta
the
get rid of that
gaskets.
cob.
Can you reuse this wastegate?
I don't know. We'll look into
Possibly, I'd
that.
have to look into it.
If not, go
If not, you
waste
could go
external.
Yeah, look at the intercooler difference, dude. It's like a good 3-4 inches longer.
Oh yeah, it does. Look at
Yo,
the
put it right in front of it, Alex.
What?
Just put a comparison.
Without don't bend any of those
These are some
pins.
good
Just put
speed
it like
parts,
right up
huh?
here.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Big boy, dude.
much bigger. Nice.
Girthy.
Holy shit. Okay.
What'd it make?
With all
Made
those parts?
310
On a Mustang
on a
dyno.
Mustang dyno.
Yep.
Holy shit.
And
With
that would
Bob's
be
turbo?
everything that's going in this guy. So yeah.
Really?
Would go up 100 horsepower.
Dude, it's actually gonna be pretty quick.
I don't know.
And I think it has an aftermarket.
Dude, you just took the words right
It
out of
has an
my mouth, man. I'm glad
aftermarket
you
clutch
said
in it,
that.
100%. I just don't know what type of
Why
clutch.
does it not feel
It's definitely
healthy?
heavier.
No, it
We
feels
should
a
pop the
little
cover off
it feels
actually at some
good,
point.
but-
Check that out.
I don't
What?
know, man.
You don't know what?
If
What's
it's
it
gonna
doing?
handle, I don't know if it's
Oh.
stocking on, if it can handle
Yeah,
all
yeah.
that
Does
power.
it feel healthy right now? Though,
Feels
does it
healthy.
slip in? Does it chatter a lot?
No, real chatter.
All right, then
The
you're all right.
OEM one's
But
pretty.
I've let
It's
Travis
like good
drive
to
my
like
car
280.
twice.
Yeah,
He burns
dude,
it.
you're not
It
gonna
would be
crank this thing
fine.
up to 310, man.
No,
I want
it's
to go
not
over
worth it.
280. It's gonna be perfect
Well,
for you, dude.
He's probably just gonna piggyback a tune. So
Well, yeah, that's the.
just go
Yeah, dude,
80.
I still
Just
have
go
that too.
80% throttle.
Yeah, we shouldn't even put an external on. It's never gonna open, man.
Yeah, this thing's
Mine
already
didn't
been
have it.
molested, man, and then it was
No,
put back to
that's-
stock.
Oh,
You get rid of
no,
that
shit,
cob
maybe
pulley
we
too,
should.
though.
No, that
Yeah.
can't pulley stays.
I'll give you my stock one.
Why is the carbon no good?
Yeah, zero warranty.
Yeah, bud. About that,
Yeah.
you just gotta be more on top of checking your oil.
Or even changing it, dude.
Dude, I was so happy with how the dip came off of these.
I can't believe it, man.
Yeah, they came out dope.
Peeled right
I'll
off.
give it to you, dude. You're the dip
I'm
master.
the master.
You are, man.
So now he's just gonna put
Multiple
summers
times.
on those,
Mm-hmm.
and then he's gonna have both.
Hell yeah.
Be great.
But
What do you say, bud?
Turbo worked pretty good for you when you were using it, JD?
Yeah, dude.
I had a blast.
It's gonna be cool, bud. Stay tuned.
Man.